Avoid disrupting ant trails or mixing treatments if you want to kill house ants fast and easy. Start by locating active trails and the nest if possible, because ants follow scent lines and bait only works when it is encountered and carried back. Use slow-acting sugar or protein-based bait depending on the species you observe, since workers must feed and share the toxicant with the colony for population reduction. Place small amounts of bait where you see steady ant traffic and not directly on countertops where food is prepared, and rotate bait stations indoors and along baseboards to increase pickup. Avoid spraying visible ants near bait sites because immediate kill prevents foragers from returning to distribute poison. Keep baits out of reach of children and pets and replace them only when completely consumed or clearly spent, not after a few hours. If identification is difficult, pursue a bait with a broad appeal like a sugar gel and monitor for 2 to 3 weeks while reducing other attractants. A common mistake is using strong-smelling cleaners or essential oils right before setting baits because that masks trails and stops ants from finding the bait, so wait until baits are working before extensive cleaning. People often spray residual insecticide and lay baits in the same spots, which is counterproductive because the spray kills or repels the foragers and prevents bait transfer, so use one method per area and stagger treatments. Another error is removing bait too soon when traffic drops for a day or two, since bait may still be being shared in the nest. Leave stations until no activity is observed for several days and then remove and inspect. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and make it easier for people dealing with pest problems to find help. Our site also has a discussion community where we, our users, and contractors share experiences and practical tips so everyone can make better decisions.